Bro. One second, guys. I gotta. This is so annoying. It's the worst day to have a stream crash. The worst day to have a stream crash. Hold on. It's back up. Hold on. Bro, really? Gosh, that's so annoying. Hold on. I gotta get the freaking chat back up now. Gosh dang it, guys. I'm just glad that the giveaways don't crash. That would have sucked to have everybody's entries get screwed. That would have been so bad. All right, we here? Everybody back? Hello, hello. Hello, hello. I need to pull it. I think it's because I had the freaking Instagram stream up on my computer. Probably should not have that up. Let's be honest. Should be live again. It shouldn't have that issue though. We've done it so many times. There we go. All right, guys, we're doing the giveaway live on YouTube right now. Make sure you go to the YouTube. Hopefully, it doesn't crash for the 10th time. We still have all the entries, guys. There's still 160 entries that I still got locked in, so don't worry. Entries didn't go anywhere. Your predictions didn't go anywhere either. Yeah, okay. Bruh. What is the last thing? Did we finish up on B&B? Did you get my last bit? If you want to enter the giveaway, make sure you join the YouTube live stream to enter the giveaway. Those asking. And I'm going to repin this. Kill me. That's for you, stream crash. Stream crash totally went like that. It just straight up Windows. Straight up Windows error message. Like, kill me. Okay. Praying we're continuing here. Gosh, dude, that sucks. That sucks so bad. All right. I think we're good. I'm gonna make sure. Okay. Welcome back to the stream, guys. Sorry for the delay. I wanted to make sure that we were back in this. Did we go through link? I can't find it. I don't know what you said. We're back. Hello. 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 Welcome. Welcome. Letting everybody rejoin here. But B&B, remember that target 400 is next target if we can close over this week's or last week's high of 367. Okay. Yeah, Pepe, he had he looked at me like, you know, he had something to do with it. Okay, yeah, if you want to be a part of the giveaway, make sure you are on the YouTube live. You can enter via !100 on YouTube live. We're picking 3 winners at the end of the stream to each win $100. So make sure you tune in. Let's get things back on track. Welcome back yet again, B&B. We're done. I need to spin the wheel. I'm glad. Hopefully we don't run into that problem again. Wish you gained more if you give more. Okay. Checking out the... If you need the giveaway, yet again, you have to join the YouTube to be a part of that giveaway. So please, 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 please join the YouTube and type !100 in the chat to get an entry. All right, link. Link it is. Link it up. Link it up. Link it up, link it up. Oh, this was our messed up one. There you go. Get those arrows off my screen. All right. Now, Link, we discussed this yesterday a little bit. Link, we said that we wanted a nice little bounce off of these previous highs. Right now, we're back into that 18. Remember, we said 18 is that price point we're really watching. Really watching that 18 price point. I'm not a huge fan that this thing didn't bounce earlier. We really wanted to bounce off these highs here. But overall, it is today showing that bouncing opportunity. So if I go to the 1 hour, or sorry, go to the 4 hour here, let's take a quick gander at what happened. It did end up breaking that swing low. Right now, it is trying to set a higher low on this price value. What do I want, though? These are the Lux Algo price action concepts. Links are all in the description of the live stream if you are asking about that. Now, what do I want next, though? I want to break out of that swing point, right? This lower high there, I want to get broken. If you guys are kind of actually, let's see if this helps. We haven't done this in a while. There you go. You get your higher low, lower high setting. So lower high right there and do a lower low, right? Or sorry, after a lower low. Lower high, this could confirm a lower low and just, we need to break this LH, right? Lower high there. If we can break back over that, that's what I will look for a actual setup on Link like this. I want to see this happen on the oscillator. Remember, the oscillator is probably my favorite thing that I use with making core entries, right? So that being said, bouncing off of that is what I would want to see, something like this. And then if we get that turning point happening somewhere in the 18, sub 19, I'm going to be taking this trade into the mid 20s because maybe that'll be enough juice to get it rocking and rolling. On the weekly here for Link, as you can tell, we have made a beautiful breaker block, and it's trying to bounce yet again off of the high of that order block that we broke. So that's kind of where we've been watching a lot, is because of this bull flag breakout. Beautiful bull flag breakout. You can see the oscillator. This is exactly what we talk about, by the way, when we're talking about bounces above those previous highs, continuing trends. Right there, oscillator bounce here. You had a week right after that just went bonkers. And now we're looking to see if that, wants to kind of hold its value now off of 18, and then hopefully come next week and the week after we get into these mid 20s. But overall, long-term target right now is 26, lower this order block. Midterm, and then the high at 28, and the 30s would be nice too. At 26, definitely that upside target we're talking about. 25 could be psychological. As you can see, 20 definitely rejected there. So 25 could be that next level that people might consider taking off some. But overall, Link, super bullish on this. Massive moves. And let me make sure we're still rolling on the stream. Okay, we're still good. Cool. Glad we haven't crashed yet. But Doran's still leading the pack with their 1,500 points again. Wow, insane. Let me make sure the giveaway is still doing okay. Okay, cool. Giveaway, guys, is at 194 entries, right? If you want to be a part of that giveaway, make sure you join the YouTube stream. Type !100 in the chat. Just search Lux Algo on YouTube, and you should see us pop up. YouTube stream. 196 already in this. We got about an hour left to enter. All right, that being said, Link, not too bad. Let's go the 4 hour one more time. Like I said there, I already showed you what I wanted to see. But overall, we're looking for that 14 hold daily there, bouncing off this breaker, right? It'll be really, really nice. We'll see if we can get that as well. I'm going to take these off for now. So we can get that bounce right off where we're at. Nice little breaker block there to play. All right, on to the next one. Link is down. Got to pull up our wheel for the other stream. Okay, let's get this going. Here we go. Pepe, what you got for us? SEI. Beautiful. We're doing good now. Nice. All right, SEI. Kind of a similar situation. Didn't pull back as much, right? But it is holding right now over those previous highs. Didn't pull back much, but it is holding over this previous highs, which you can see right now, pretty much holding up this overall move here right now in this range. So 79.50, honestly, you could say, 80 is good, but look at what we see here on the oscillator, which is exactly kind of what I want to see. So long as value keeps holding over that previous structure break on the oscillator, so you can see right here, it broke this structure. If we get that turning point occurring there, I would honestly be looking for it. It's lining up also with these previous highs, but guess what else it's probably lining up with? Bam, Fibonacci. Everything's lining up nicely on this retracement. If we get that turning point on the oscillator, could be a very great entry to trade from the 80s up to $1 yet again. So keep an eye on this. We will definitely be taking an entry on it, similar to what we've done with Rune, and Matic right now. Matic, like we said already, if you're just now tuning in, we're looking, to continue to hold this into the 110 plus. So we'll see where that plays out on Matic, because we've cashed out majority of our position already. But overall, that's what we want to look for on SEI. So SEI watching for this bounce right off 80, and then going for that move if that oscillator prints that turning point. So really look for that move right now on SEI. Let's go back. Let's dial it back though to the weekly, see if there's even a target in mind. Not really any targets. We have all-time highs to continue to break, unless there's another exchange. Do you guys know that it could be Binance? Yeah, there we go. Maybe not. Let's see. USD. Binance. I did that one already. Kraken. Yeah, no. Nope. All right, cool. So that 80 there, though, I'm always looking at Coinbase price, by the way, so it could be a little bit different on some of these other exchanges, but you get the gist of what we're fully looking at, okay? So overall, nice little setup there that could occur. Let's keep an eye on it off 80. Then I would probably trade it to $1. You'll see me take that entry if it forms at any point in time. So whether it's during the stream or not, we'll come back and talk about it if that ends up happening. So really look for that bullish turning point on the oscillator. Looking good if it can actually hold support. So we're waiting for that potential opportunity. Now, let's go to the next one. We got to crank through these now. Freaking crashed again. BA Boeing, first stock of the day, and I think that's the only stock on the board. It's not a bad one to look at. Okay, we're back. What'd I miss? Not much. You just missed I think link, and then I was trying to type in BA Usto. What am I doing? It should be. Is that what crashed the stream? 250 entries. Holy cow. Guys, if you want to enter the giveaway, make sure you jump into the Lux Algo live stream. You type in !100. It is on YouTube. This is the only way to enter the entry. Bro, like, this thing's got me all messed up. This is the only way to enter the giveaway. Okay? I can see what if the module's up. It says it's up. It says the gamble module is up. There you go. It's working. Yo, don't come in here. Don't come into my chat and say it's not working, and it's clearly working. Come on, have some patience, guys. Have some patience. Come on. Okay. Clearly working. All right, let's go. Now, Boeing, right? Boeing, only stock that's on the board today, so bear with me. If you don't trade stocks, well, you can just wait a second, okay? This is for our stock friends. All right, a lot of opening gaps there, as you see, but let's talk about value. Is this value? Is Boeing at a place of value? That's the biggest thing that I look for on stocks. Now, on top of their earnings, right? Did they just have earnings? They did. So they just had earnings. They beat Rev and EPS, which is good. Positive EPS and positive earnings. Fantastic. In that case, overall value, not bad, right? For that earnings beat now, obviously, we like to see how it's done year over year. I haven't fully looked at it, but I will say we have quite a bit of range here to talk about. So let's pull up our fixed volume range here, and you can see we're kind of dead center of that POC. I honestly, if you maybe want to buy something like this, probably want to wait maybe till it gets over 212 again, or wait till it dips back down to the bottom of the value range. In this current state, though, let me look at the oscillator. It's not too bad. Maybe wait for that turning point for a longer term investment. Daily's not bad. It's trying to bounce here. It's also bouncing off a pretty strong support. So 200, pretty psychological, right? Could be a nice value level to buy some shares off of. This is something that you would probably want to hold in your portfolio, kind of diversify a bit. So not bad. Signals and overlays. We are in a bearish neo cloud, something we're not a huge fan of seeing. So it breaking down, not the greatest, right? I would want to see it back up over that neo cloud before continuing its push. But we have the oscillator having that bearish turning point. We would need to see some divergence come into play, which means that we get maybe a bounce off this breaker block here or a new low and come back, right? Because then what you would see here is some divergence forming like this, and that could inevitably be a very nice bullish divergence. But we'll end up seeing what happens. It might set that new low, but if it has a downside target, it'd be in the 180s. If it bounces here, then we'll look for that turning point and then give us that divergence to possibly get us into the 210s or more. But overall, take a look at the earnings, see what you think year over year, how it's doing, what they are predicting for this year. And we will be coming back to it for sure. Not a bad, I don't think it's a terrible buy at 200 here. So keep an eye on it. All right, BA off the board. Let's move on. Pepe in the house yet again. Let's go. What do you got for us? Give me something good. ADA, man, on the shmoney. On the shmoney. ADA USD. ADA used. Okay, ADA breaks out, comes back down. Okay. ADA breaks out, comes back down. Let me check the clock here, guys. Sorry, I'm gonna make sure the giveaway clock is good. All right. Stream still good? Okay, cool. Now, we have about 40 minutes here on the giveaway clock. Cool. All right, 88 breaks out, right? We've been watching this. We took a trade on it as well when we had this turning point, and what happened? Guess what? It was above this. I mean, that's what we talk about. We can even pull up the trade entries, executions. There you go. Right there, boom. Took some off there, right? We entered right on that break and bounce on the oscillator on the daily. Targeted the on the 4 hour actually. Very similar though. Daily was everything on that as well. But we targeted the, no, we did target on the daily, didn't we? Trying to think of what we, oh, there was an order block. I remember now. There was an order block there. We always target that first order block just in case. Second TP, that was this swing, hit perfectly. Third TP, it actually ended up hitting right up here. But that last TP did not hit 65. Interesting. All right, so yeah, if you're still in this trade, I mean, you should be majority of the way out due to you've hit 3 TPs already. But in this case, it bouncing back like this, not bad. Let's see what a fib tells us here. The fib finally, remember, I think we've shown this here. We wanted to see, this is when we like to see if fibs are playing properly or not. The fib finally made a high enough move to give us a nice retracement above that change character, above proper price action movements. So right now we could get an extension into 55, 54, and then look for an entry. But even with the value that we just extended through, if we can get a turning point forming on ADA somewhere here around 60, I really do like it for a potential continuation. But yet again, need to see that turning point. I would say definitely bullish right now on the daily, still bullish. If we pull over these screeners as well, let's double check here what we might be seeing on this. Just copy this. Boom. On that one, let's see it here. On that one, let's see it here. On this one. Oh, not bad. All right. So on this right now, you still have, let's see, strong bullish on the price action. Fantastic to see. We're still in a change character, right? We're outside an order block, and we're also above the equilibrium. So great design there on what we're seeing for a continuation. ADA strong bullish on signals, right? We're leaning bullish, fantastic. Oscillator also bullish. Bullish around the board on the screeners, on the new Luxottica screeners that are, you know, part of any of, if you're already a member, they're a part of your plan already. But again, that makes it, you know, super easy to understand where we're sitting stance-wise on whether bullish or bearish. Definitely still bearish on ADA until we see structure shift, right? Structure is not shift. It's still in play. Let's see if it can bounce somewhere, give us a little bit of price to go with, and then we'll target more levels from there. But for now, we wait until... Bro, this guy. I'm going to check if you have an entry right now. I think you do. Yeah. Farzan, you got an entry, my friend. You don't have to keep spamming it. You only get one entry. Guys, if you want to be a winner, by the way, as well, at the end of the stream, you do have to be subscribed. The bot will not pick anybody that is not subscribed to the YouTube. So make sure you're subbed, okay? Make sure you are subbed. Appreciate it. All right, guys. That being said, let me see something here. Trying to figure out what's going on. ADA looking good. Continue bullish structure. I like it a lot. Watch for that bounce yet again off that fib. If anything, right where we're at right now. So anywhere where we're sitting, somewhere around 56, 57, get that turning point. Let's move on to the next one. HNT. Honestly, though, it's almost a stable coin. Yeah, a lot of these are lining up the same way, which is kind of like I feel like I'm repeating myself. To be honest, I feel like I'm repeating myself. Let's see here. All right. HNT. Let's start with the weekly. Yeah, never mind. Let's not start with the weekly. All right, HNT structures in formation, right? It's trying to bounce off of this, right? Yet again, you see a higher low. I mean, guys, the biggest part of this game, I mean, we stream every day, make sure we're keeping you guys in line, but is patience, right? We wait to be patient on these. We'll tell you our entries when we are patient, and it plays out and actually sets up for us. But in that case right now, this is last resort on HNT to continue this trend. Let's bounce right here. You have plenty of opportunity to bounce, and that would be between, I honestly could give you $8 above $8. Anywhere above $8 right now on HNT, please hold up. If it does hold up above that, then you could retarget the open close high there of $10. But overall, not absolutely terrible. Wait a second. Yeah, this thing has been going bonkers, right? Yeah, it was sitting. Where did it get on Coinbase? That's awesome. Anyway, yeah, sitting up there, waiting for that move back through those highs would be very nice. I think there's another exchange that's been on for a while, right? I feel like it's been on something else for a very long time. Yeah. The end of this last year went crazy. Someone say bonk. Goodness gracious. Let me see here. Why did I type that in? Dude, my subconscious does crazy things sometimes. Let me think of something here. Okay. But yeah, overall, nice structure on HNT. Looks really solid. Looks really solid to see if we can get that continuation, right? So we'll definitely double check if this thing wants to bounce here off of this high here of $8.50. Okay. So looking real good. We'll see if we can continue, guys. At 285 entries, by the way, on the giveaway. So if you're tuning in, man, make sure you enter. Today is a lot bigger. We're at least 100 more than last time right now. I think we've capped out before around 400 entries. So if you want to be a part of that giveaway, make sure you join the YouTube live and you type in !100 to be a part of the giveaway. Giving away $300. 100 to 3 people. Last but not least, please join the Discord. Reach out to me if you are a winner. I'm not reaching out to you. That goes with... Right? Am I right, man? Almost 300 entries and only 122 watching. Yeah, what? We'll get there. We'll get there, my friends. We all know why people tune in on Fridays. It's all good. All right, let's jump through this. Yo, all right. Pepe's on point right now. Pepe is on point. Give me one sec. Okay. Super looked pretty good. It is your spin speed. Nah, no. Pepe's got a mind of its own. It's not me. It's got a mind of its own. All right, guys. Gosh, a lot of these are so similar. All right, now in this case, this is where I would watch the oscillator, right? Look at the oscillator setting lower highs, right? Lower highs forming perfectly, right? I would want to see a turning point form over that 50 level here on Super. Super Eusta, Super Farm. Let's see that swing. Right now, 50% retracement off of that last swing point before it broke out. Not terrible. Let's look at the weekly. Weekly made a breaker block. Yeah, this looks great. That high on that breaker was 93 cents. If this holds over 93, this thing maybe next week could continue. Nice turning point that occurred before the breakout. Again, holding up over those highs. Some big moves. Daily chart. Daily chart again. We're coming back into a bit of an imbalance here that looks like it fully filled now. I mean, like I said, I want to see this thing bounce over highs. I guess it could come back to 82s, but honestly, that fib retracement lines up nicely. Also, the oscillator lines up nicely for a turning point. So it'd be really nice to see some support around $1 as low as maybe 90 cents. I wouldn't go lower than 90 to low of this impulse candle, 83.5. So if we can hold up above that, what, Sordic? Sordic, you got me nervous, man. We've already timed out once, so we're not timing out again. Don't say my name like that. We're giving away $100 to 3 winners. All you have to do is type in exclamation 100 to enter. Gambling and dueling has to go. Why? You guys said you wanted it. You said you wanted it. Oh, he must have lost all his points again. Sordic, did you lose all your points again? Yeah, he lost them all. Let's play Hangman. I mean, it just gives them more fun to chat. I mean, I'm not stressed. Are you guys that are gambling and just going nuts on your points, on your channel points, are you paying attention? Yes or no? If it's more engaging for you to come in here every day and have fun with them, then sure, I'll let you have fun with your channel points, but you let me know. DGen's good at DGen. Well, that's totally true. Really like it. GGG. What's the analysis for Bitcoin? Yeah, there was analysis on Bitcoin on the other stream that crashed. Kill myself. We can go over maybe. We can maybe go over Bitcoin. Today's usually a pretty weird day because of I gotta stop refreshing that. Because of the overall theme of the giveaway. Sorry, I'm making sure we have everybody locked in on this giveaway. All right. All right, cool. All right, guys. But super, yeah, watching that bounce here on that retracement would be money. Would be money. All right, let's jump into the next thing. Come on, Pepe, give me something good. All right, give you a chance. Yo, I didn't even realize this, but he cracked. No! The wheel, Pepe cracked, man. Dead center there, you can see it. Bet. The top 10 is pure luck now? I wouldn't necessarily say that. Let me see, how many points do you have? I knew there would be one of you guys that would probably not like it. Yo, you have way more points than that. Why did you use them? Why did you... I'm pretty sure you had over 300 points and you'd be in the top 10 right now. You must have dueled them too much. I love you, but you gotta make sure you're not dueling your points. You want to remain in that top 10. Top 10 players are in the 200s still. I'm pretty sure you had 200 points plus. And like Dame doesn't gamble his points. He's never gambled them or dueled them, and he's at 255 points. Only two? No. A lot of them are. Kemmel, Tom, all of them maybe have gambled tiny bits of their points, but they've all gotten their guesses right each week. If you want to get points honestly added to your profile, by the way, the easiest way to do it for those that are asking is to predict Bitcoin correctly at the beginning of the stream. Top 7 is not only gambling. Brad is in the top 7. He's not just gambling. Jockey, not just gambling. Top 7 is good. I would say the top 3 maybe. Top 3. They've collected a few extra points, but if he gets too crazy in some days, sure. But Doran somehow is just cranking with 2K points. That's nuts. All right, let's move to the next one. We said FET. F-E-I, right? Or is it FET? Probably FET. FET used to be me. Doran's killing it, man. Freaking nuts. If it gets to be a problem where only like viewers that gamble their points, the only way you can actually gamble your points is if you're, yeah, literally the top dude. Sordik, you must have just gambled your points away, man. I'm gonna double check. Hey, Sordik, I'm gonna double check for you on the watch time points, okay? See how many they get. I'll grant more because it is quite interesting because you have the most watch time out of anybody. Not the most overall. Dennis has the most out of you, but you should be honest, Sordik. Did you gamble all your points? Be honest with me. Come clean, I'll give you some points. You have the most watch time. You're in the top 3 watch time. You gambled your points, though. Look at him. I'm gonna... God dang it. Sordik top 3 or top 2 watch time this week. Sordik, I went ahead and gave you... Yo... Sordik, I went ahead and gave you 150 points, okay? If you get your guess right, you have a chance. If you're in the top 10 watch time, by the way, guys, I'm gonna give you some extra points end of the week. If you're not, to give you at least a chance, but that's your last chance there. I gave you some points. Now you're at 150. Just don't gamble them, bro. Just wait to see if you get your guess right this week. Sordik had 5-hour watch time, guys, this week, so don't get jealous. Just tune in more, and I'll grant you more points, all right? Sordik. Exclamation gamble 150. If you gamble those, you're done, man. If you gamble one, you're done. All right, FET, guys. FET here, setting new highs on that 4-hour. It continues to holding its own structure, right? Structure's been money in the bank on this guy. Holding up real nicely here above 105. That's what I would want to continue to see. The slope's intact still. The slope is still intact there. See if it wants to continue finding that slope. Lower lows keep getting set on the oscillator, which is interesting, but you have your massive or higher low sitting here before it made this big move, lower lows. If this continues, you finally get that higher low setup, and it stays above 50, that trend could continue here on Fed. I would say, let's go to that weekly. I can't believe that's so funny. We're at resistance right now. Wow, this looks really good, actually, to continue. You just got that turning point last week and blew through this week. So, yet again, another reason why if I see continuous weeks holding and closing over each other aggressively like that, definitely a hold in and of itself, because guess what? This week, FET is up quite a bit. I would say it's, let's see. FET this week is up 30%. So definitely a massive, massive move to consider with this massive, breakout it had last week. So why you always watch your weekly closes over and on top of each other. All right. We're getting close here. Hold on. I got to see something. Let's see. That was at 29. Weird. All right. We're going to move on to Avalanche. You think Doran's hacking points? I'm curious. Imagine. She got, so there's a multiplier on those points. I think she got really lucky on one of her gambles. So, all right, Avalanche, let's get it. Let's get it. Avalanche quite interesting. Avalanche on the weekly here has been in a bearish. Right? A bearish money flow, right? But on this breakout, it's starting to come out of bearish money flow. Really good start to that. Bounced beautifully off of a breaker block, right? Previous resistance off 30. Absolutely cranked through that. Right now, showing a little bit of resistance on the daily and the weekly there. We've broken down. Okay, this is the first one I would be considered a little bit bearish on, similar to Solana, right? Similar to Solana in this state. So I would definitely want to see if this thing actually wants to bounce here or not off of this current order block. But right now, I would be a little bearish. I would honestly look for a break of this swing point, retest of that, come back down. In that case, you would see that recent turning point get retested like this for that rejection. But if this holds up on that order block there, you can maybe see a bounce back. I would have to see a full-fledged retrace and bounce back like that to consider a more long entry on Avalanche. Right now, Avalanche coming and breaking down, though. Continuous days after days being bearish, right? Weekly, first red week. We'll see. It might come down to 32. I'll watch it again around 32 for a potential entry. But overall, quite interesting, I will say. With that retracement there. 4-hour time frame, still setting lower lows, trying to bounce back. As you can tell, it's very similar to Solana, rejecting. Right now, down here, if that turning point occurs, maybe we can get some divergence in play, get some type of reversal, maybe get an inverse head and shoulders kind of formation, which means it would have to come back and do that to give you that form right here off of 36. So you get some type of setup like that with a bullish divergence off of 36. Essentially on the oscillator, I would want to see that high break, come back, retest it, and then give me some action like this. We look for a clean setup, okay? Looking good, guys. Man, we're almost at 400 entries yet again, guys. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate it. If you want to be a part of the giveaway, you're on the Instagram. You have to get onto the YouTube live stream. You have to be subscribed as well, guys. Make sure you are subscribed. If you're not subscribed, the bot will not pick you, okay? So if you entered and you didn't subscribe, it will not pick you. Last but not least, we go to Polkadot. Polkadot. All right. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, Polkadot looks actually very, very good. Very, very good. We'll see how Polkadot does here. Daily time frame. Now, daily time frame, I'm going to be waiting. That's pretty much what I'm waiting on right now. Daily time frame needs to establish that turning point. We got 4 hours left in this daily time frame. Hopefully, we get that turning point. 4 hour, though, look what it's doing. It's doing something similar we talked about already. But this is the start to that trade opportunity, right? Still lower highs in formation. This is a great one to end on. Great job, guys. Still lower highs in formation. What we want to see is a break through those lower highs, retest of that lower high, 4 hour entry right off of this little guy right here. What will happen is this structure point on Polkadot will break here. If that breaks, we want to see entries off and above that high around, $7.75. That would be the overall move. If you go to that daily, though, what's going to happen is you're going to get that turning point occur tomorrow. If that happens, you'll probably get that turning point tomorrow. It'll be above these highs. You'll get a nice setup. Upside target, if that turning point comes into play, would be this first open close high of $8.02. Second one would be open close high alongside that order block of $8.13. And then above that would be the order block high of $8.60 roughly. Yeah, $8.60. After that, retesting all the way up here at 921. So if you needed a repeat of that, just here, 802, 815, 860, and then 920. So keep an eye on those levels. If you get that turning point on Polkadot, it looks really nice. A great one to kind of end our analysis on. We can double check Bitcoin really quickly. Those of you who weren't here earlier in the stream, go to the other stream. I hate that this is 2 separate streams, but again, we want to see continuous holds over 50K on Bitcoin for continuation. The 4 hour, we do like a lot because it has come down the bottom side, starting to show up and potentially create another turning point. But if we want a continuation breakout trade, 52K needs to break. Oscillator needs to break. And we'll go from there. ETH, similar situation. Ethereum, higher low, very nice. Still bullish on the money flow, which is good. But we broke down that previous lower low there on Ethereum. But we're sitting at high low on price. So this could be actually what you call a hidden divergence on the lows. Okay, this could be a hidden divergence, which means if a turning point occurs here, you get something like this, we're probably going to see a retest of this high. Remember, 3,300 is our big upside target. Besides that, we do have a little bit of free space to continue our moves. So we'll see how that plays out here on ETH and on the rest of what we went over today. Oh, he said, what am I gonna eat? Boy knows I'm gonna eat, right? 3,500 is our upside, like big time upside target, but 3,300 right now, that's safer play because it's the bottom of that weekly order block. So right there, 3,300, bottom of that weekly order block. Boy needs some water. He needs some milk. All right, guys. This is the time that you have been waiting for. Yo. Guys, we have 500 entries. This is the biggest one we've done yet. Really appreciate it, guys. Biggest, if price does not break above wick but closes above the body, would you still consider it a break? Yes and no. The hard part is if we're continuing weekly trends, right? I want to see continuous closures of weekly candles above the last week's high. It's like we said, 28.96 there, last week's high. Money. Right? Money. What do you mean? It's not a bot. It's not a bot just because we've had thousands of people come through the view list. Now, obviously, if people are creating multiple accounts and entering, I can't protect it from that. But overall, not too bad. But guys, we've hit a top amount of entries at 554. Great job. Let's see, where are we at? We're at 43 minutes. Bear with me. All right, guys. There you go. 561. 561 entries right now. All right, I'll be right back, guys. Give me a quick sec. I'll be right back. I gotta go grab something, but I'm gonna let you guys watch the count there. That 589 now, insane. Watch the count for me if you want to enter the giveaway. You have 10 minutes left. I'm giving you guys 10 minutes left to join. All right, to enter that giveaway. So we're gonna pick giveaways or pick winners here in 10 minutes. Once it ends, I'm gonna be right back. It's not gonna take me 10 minutes to be right back, but make sure you're on the YouTube stream to be able to enter. But literally, give me like 3 minutes or less. I'll be literally right back, okay? 3 minutes or less, right back. Goodness gracious. All right, we're back. $666 entries. Yeah, get that off of here. Somebody enter quick. Enter quick. There we go, please. Yo, this is the craziest amount of entries we've ever had. All right, here we go. So we have 8 minutes left on entries. You have a chance to win $100, 3 of you. Holy crap, Doran with the 500. That's why Doran's going nuts. They're not fake entries, I promise. Now, really quickly, this is what another incentive to be a top 10 user, by the way. So you don't have to be 1 out of 700 to win. Which, Dennis, bro, why are you complaining? You have a 1 in 10 chance on Monday, more than likely. You have a 1 in 10 chance on Monday, more than likely. Goodness gracious. You're good, bro. You're good. This is for everybody to tune in. All right. Oh, by the way, Dennis, it doesn't matter. If they're bots and they didn't subscribe, it doesn't matter. They have to be subscribed. So they would have, and from what I can see from the subscribe feed, like, it has been a minute since people subbed. So it doesn't matter. Forgot to mention that. Like the subscribe feed says people subbed like an hour ago. But also this is what I was saying. This is bugged too, to where like this is still it's still loading all the entries from earlier as well. So this should be all of them now. I wouldn't consider it too fishy. I think we're good. The reason being is because we've had we're streaming on multiple platforms and people just tune in to just enter. So on YouTube alone, we've had over 5,000 views of the stream, and on Instagram we've had over 5,000 as well. Jesus. All right, never mind. It could be more. It should be more, honestly. But obviously they have to rejoin the YouTube. I wouldn't worry about it. That's why you want to be a top 10 viewer, man. If you better be a top 10 viewer, you can be a top 10 viewer. You have a 1 in 10 chance of winning, my friends. All right. Give everybody a chance. Well, there is a different way we're gonna do this when this gets a little too big. Like this is already seeming like it's too big, right? We got 5 minutes left, guys. By the way, this is already seeming like it's too big. So we're gonna do a separate way of doing this where you have to actually, or you're a top 10 gambling, where you actually have to have more. You have to do a little bit more to enter. Let's go to, here you go. Here's the points. So you're top 10, you're number 4, man. Number 4 on the list. Dame, are you in that top 10 still? Dame's slowly coming back down. We'll take a vote on Monday if you guys want to get rid of the gambling or dueling system, okay? How about that? Having 100 points to enter, what? I wouldn't necessarily say that. I mean, I will say that hey, you guys wanted it, by the way. It's not me. It's week 1 of doing this. If you guess it today, that you'll be in that top 10. If you guess correctly, you have 200 points, you will be in that top 10. $20 points. That's why you need to tune in more and guess the right predictions on Monday. We'll take a vote on Monday whether or not you guys still want to do dueling or you still want to do the gambling. More than likely, we could leave dueling channel points and then get rid of the gambling channel points, because it seems like, yeah, if you have a hefty amount, you can get that top 10 easily. So less incentivizing the gambling point part. I kind of like that, to be honest. We'll vote on Monday, though. Those should be probably your last day to gamble your points, so there you go. Go ahead and gamble them away. But I totally agree. Come also, by the way, when we implement this system, so you guys can have custom emojis and stuff, if you're a part of the Hodl gang, if I can get it set up correctly on the giveaways, if I go to, I think, settings, I can for the giveaways, I can add more entries for anybody that is an official member as well. So you'll get dual the amount of entries on the giveaways, but we'll figure that out as time goes on. Let's see, how much longer do we have on that? We got 2 minutes, 50 seconds to enter the giveaway, guys. Last chance. Last but not least, by the way, if you are not in the Discord, that's the other thing too. People that win, they don't actually reach out on the Discord. They're not gonna claim it. All right, here we go. All right, in 800. Wow, guys, insane. In 2 minutes, we're picking our 3 winners for $100. If you are not a part of the Discord, You don't reach out to me if you're a winner, then you will not get your winnings. Make sure you join the Discord, okay? Make sure you join the Discord. Reach out to me if you win, okay? Sordic, we'll probably get rid of gambling on Monday, okay? I'll let you guys vote it, but more than likely I might make an executive decision to get rid of it, okay? Don't worry, I got you, bro. You're one of our top viewers for sure. Let's see how your guess goes today, too. Look at this fan with the no gambling on Monday. God, look at him. Well, that's why we'll vote on it as a community. No, see, look at him. Now he's now you're sitting there like, okay, I got you. Oh, Mickey entered? Mickey B? Almost 900 entries. Wow. I'm just kidding. It's not you, Mickey. It's some other Mickey. Mickey Mouse. Guys, if you're on the Instagram, you have literally 30 seconds to join the YouTube live. Lux Algo on YouTube and enter the giveaway, okay? You have just a few seconds. One second. Bam. All right. Giveaway is up, my friends. The giveaway is done. Okay. So, last time. Let's pick our first winner. Giveaway is done, as you can see. Give me 1 second. Let's do, yes. All right, guys. Well, thank you guys for being a part of the stream today. We really appreciate it. Are you wearing shorts? Yes. Get out of here. It gets steamy in here, man. I'm wearing a sweater, and it's like hot as hell in this room because of the streaming setup and everything. When I have my bigger setup, I will wear pants for you, okay? We will we'll do the predictions in just a second. We're gonna do giveaways first. All right, we're gonna pick 3 winners for $100. If you are not a part of the Discord and you don't reach out to me, join now and get ready to reach out to me, because if you don't, then you're not gonna have a chance to actually win. You have to claim your prize. I ain't claiming your prize, bro. I ain't claiming your prize, homie G. 1 second though. I'm gonna show you really quickly what to do, and then we're gonna pick our winners for today. I just need to pull up this last thing. Okay, here we go. Can I do this? Nice. Okay. So, when you join the Discord, okay? When you join the Discord, click this little icon right here where it says member list. I'm this one right here. If you are a winner, click my name and message me. If you are a person that's trying to steal somebody's winnings, I know how to find out who the real person is. So don't be trying to scam anybody out of their winnings, okay? Message this person here on the admin list. All you click is that after you join the Discord. Discord's completely free, okay? Here we go. Let's pick some peeps. What happened there? Go back to the giveaways. Hold on, this thing messed up again. All right, now we gotta wait. I thought I had it up. Where'd it go? Bear with me. Why did you do this to me again? It bugs out. All the entries are in there, but it has to like load them all. Why did that go off? That's annoying. All right, give me a second. I'm gonna go to the end screen here so I can figure this out. I know some of you are like, let me do the 373 entries. Where that one? Oh, was I in a different? Oh, I was in a different one. Hold on. That was from earlier. Where'd my thing go? What about the likes? The likes don't matter on giveaway day. Don't worry. Come on. This thing always bugs out on me. I'm going to pull up the other music again. Just for a second. Okay, we're good. We are good to go, my friends. So let's get this thing rolling. All right, first up, here's our first winner. Our first winner is Jazz B. Great job, guys. Jazz B, you are our first $100 winner. Make sure you join the Discord. You reach out to me. I will get you your winnings so long as you reach out to me. JAS space B. Congratulations. You have won $100. Jazz B. Everybody's W's in the chat for Jazz B, and ping them as well. There you go. Nice. There we go. Good-ish. All right. Make sure you join the Discord. There she is. Or him. Whoever it is. And we'll get you your winnings by Monday. Next up is Quadro Alice. Congratulations, Quadro Alice. You're another $100 winner. It's cool to see some new winners here. Let's go. Good work. Good work. Good work. Yeah, of course. Make sure you join that Discord, okay? Send me a message. Quadro Alice. Good-ish. All right. Last but not least, here's our last winner. And then guess what, guys? Each week, we have to hit a certain amount of likes per stream to do the same giveaway every Friday. So please come back, tune in, and we will make sure for you to have a chance to, have a giveaway yet again. Dang, dude. These people are going nuts. All right. Last winner. Mamondo. Mamondo. I give you guys now till Monday to reach out to me. Those are our three winners. Congratulations to those winners. We had, I think Jazzby was the one that definitely responded. Mamondo. And Quadro Alice. Quadro Alice did respond. Mamondo, I haven't heard anything from you just yet. But guys, if you're one of those winners, please, for the last time, if it'll, okay, it doesn't want to do. Please join the Discord, okay? Join the Discord. Reach out to me the way I showed you. One more time, I'm going to show you. Let me go back. All you have to do is go here and click this member list, right? Click the member list. Let me get rid of the crazy music again. Click that member list and click my name and say, hey, I won the $100. And then guess what? If you're fake, I will know. So we're going to confirm that you're the real winner, and then we'll send you your winnings by Monday. So make sure you tune in, and that's how you do it, okay? Good work, my friends. We'll be back on Monday to do our $100 giveaway to our top 10 viewers. Now, that being said, let's see the number. The number is 51080. We asked if you thought it'd be more or less than, let's see here, 004. So it is more. More is the winner. We'll add those points to your profile if you did say more today. If you did say more today, we'll add those points to your profile, so congratulations. In that case, you're sitting pretty. Let's go. But barely more. It's been less, I think, 3 days in a row. That's pretty nuts. 3 days in a row of it being less, so congratulations if you said more. You will get 100 points added to your profile. And yeah, guys, great Friday stream, a little all over the place. But Monday, we'll take a vote on whether or not you want to still have the ability to gamble your channel points to kind of rank yourself up. If not, definitely still have the Bitcoin predictions. I think that's a great one. We're definitely keeping Bitcoin predictions. But other than that, we can maybe keep on dueling, because then people can decide if they want to duel or not, rather than just luck being in their favor. Okay? So come back Monday as well. Besides that, we might have the memberships lined up too, which will give you better entries give you more entries in the giveaways on Fridays, as well as potentially other perks as well. We'll keep you updated. You'll maybe get nice custom emojis like Pepe here. We'll get that Pepe emoji going and our signal emoji at some point, and the Luxago logo. So there'll be a chance to do that. And yeah, we didn't get the
Who's Your Daddy
in, man. We didn't get that in just yet. So there you go. Who's your daddy, baby? Nothing too crazy today happened based on from yesterday's price action. There's who your daddy for sure. But yeah, merch not set up just yet. We're focused on the branding right now, and then we're going to get to the merch. So stay tuned for that this year. But it's still pretty early on in the year. We'll get there at some point, okay? We need the Who's Your Daddy. I'll get
Who's Your Daddy?
But yeah, guys, thanks for tuning in. Monday, we pick our top 10 viewer winner from this week. So tune in if you are a top 10 winner. I think because I gave you those points, you should hit it. But again, we'll take a vote on Monday as well about watch hours too, because some of you guys are in here every day, and I think you deserve some extra points if you have actually watched quite a bit, because I don't think it's giving you many. I need to update the amount of points you get for watch hours. So we'll talk about it, probably a certain amount of points per hour, but we got you locked in. Monday, points reset. Make sure you tune in. You do have a higher chance of winning that $100, but congrats to our winners. And I will see you. Make sure you reach out to me on the Discord. So appreciate it, my friends. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you Monday. Have a great weekend. Have a great weekend. Hopefully Bitcoin or Ethereum does something over the weekend, so Monday we have something to talk about. All right, Stuart Millington said no points at all. I'm sorry, man. We'll figure something out. We'll figure something out on if you have watched, but make sure you're chatting and you're putting in your Bitcoin predictions. That's the best way to get your points. All right, guys. Love you. Have a good weekend. And we are going to be back Monday. Peace.
Who's Your Daddy?